Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add comments to Google Sheets files on mobile. So here I've already opened my Google Sheets apps on mobile, and I'm going to open the file. Okay, so here is the file, and to add comments, you can just click on a cell that you want to comment, for example this one, and then after that click on the plus icon at the top. This one's right here, and then you'll find comment. Click on that and just type in your comment in here, for example like this, and you can also mention the person in the file, for example this one's right here, and then after that click on this send icon. Okay, and after that click on the comment has been added, and the person that you add will see the comment and take notes. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.